Do you want to recover your deleted story on Instagram? No worries. Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can recover your Instagram's deleted story with just one click using your iPhone or Android. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dot lines in the top right corner of the screen and tap on your activity. Here, you can see the recently deleted option. Tap on it. Now you can see all your deleted pictures, videos, and stories. Now, tap on a particular one. Then tap on the three dots, and you will get the restore option. Tap on it, and your content will be restored. So, this is how you can recover deleted stories on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.